Hello, I'm Greg Rudke Mods, and welcome to another unboxing video. This one's going to be a one-take special, I hope. Basically, we're going to be unboxing what's in this box. Do you remember the end of the episode where I showed you the unboxing of the 2.7 G5 Dual? At the very end of it, there was a special unboxing that wasn't really part of the video where I unboxed a 2009 iMac. Well, here's its replacement, and we're going to unbox it on this video. Now, I also mentioned I was getting an early 2008 iMac also, so we could do a big comparison thing. The seller still hasn't sent it to me, and it's almost been a month. He finally told me that it's on its way, but he never gave me a tracking number, so I just made a case, and I'm giving him until the 13th, which is one day to the month of it being out there. So we'll see what happens. I may or may not be getting an early 2008 iMac. I might have to reorder it. But this should be the early 2009 iMac. In that video, I unboxed a mid-2009 iMac education model from that seller with holes drilled into the feet. I wasn't happy. I contacted the seller. They said no problem. They would send the replacement proper iMac to me the second they received the other one. They sent me a shipping label. I shipped it out to them. They replaced it, although it took almost a month in total for me to finally get the proper iMac, which I'm not too happy about waiting for. But here it is now, and we're going to be unboxing it. But I did have one little concern. It's not as secure in here as the other one was. I'm not sure if it's in one piece. I wouldn't be happy if it came in multiple pieces or has a giant dent in it. I really wouldn't be happy. So we're going to find out if it is in one piece, and let's get to it. Okay, so let's get unboxing. Okay, it's falling towards me already. Yeah, this isn't as packed as well. Is it the right one? Because I can tell by just looking at the bottom. 2.66, this should be an early 09, which is what I bought, and I don't see any holes in the feet. Well, it's well padded, and it does look like it came in one piece, but that's not really how you should be packing one of these. So I'll set this down, make sure there's nothing else in the box. Doesn't appear to be. Okay, so pull my knife out here. Box to the side. Let's unwrap this thing. How should I start here? It is really wrapped. I can't even tilt it. So we'll start by cutting that in the back. Now I can tilt it. I'll tell you one thing, it's wrapped well. It moved around the box a lot though. The password is 1. Hey look, an actual cable. It's a real iMac cable. Nice. Let's get this open real quick. It kind of looks like they did to this what I did to one of mine. Is that a real iMac cable? It is indeed a real iMac cable. It's zip tied together, so we're not going to use it. But it does appear to have come in one piece, mostly. This little oval pieces. There we go. Now it's all in one piece. So we'll set that to the side. We'll use it in the future for this system. It does appear to have come in one piece. This is definitely a 20-inch. So close out the knife here. It's got 4 USBs in the back. That definitely makes it 2009. So, plug this in. Plug that in. Plug this in. And let's do the first power on. Ready? And power. While this is booting up, I'll move you guys towards it. Turn the light off. Drop you down here. Zoom you in. All right, now we just gotta wait for it to boot. I do see some lines on the screen, which could be a backlight issue. And there is a scratch on this that I did not know about. Not happy about that. But if it's the actual iMac I bought for once, I guess I can let it slide. It's not booting up. Oh, here it goes. Okay, I was about to give up there. We'll let it boot up and see what happens. One. It's quicker, I'll tell you that much. It's a lot quicker than the other one was. Without this Mac. Hot damn, we actually got the proper iMac for once. And it's got 4 gigs of RAM. I think the one I bought had 2 gigs of RAM. So they gave me a slight upgrade, which is nice. It's using two gig modules. So it's still going to need upgraded. The only thing I'm not liking is this scratch right here on the screen. But otherwise, I'd call this a big old win. I actually got the iMac I bought. It took a month to get here. But hey, can't complain too much because I actually finally got it. And that's about it. I just thought you guys might enjoy this quick unboxing video. I'm actually releasing this video right before the release of the finale of the PowerPC series Season 3 and the beginning of a whole new series, which you may have seen in the beginning of the video, the topic of the whole new series. That's a little teaser. This is actually coming out before those 2 videos go out. But those are ready, and those will be coming out later this week. They're already edited and ready to be uploaded. I just want to get this out first, so you guys have a little material to see. And yes, I know this is a shorter video than usual, but hey, it works. And I'm happy I actually got the proper iMac for once, so that's a win in my book. Now I just got to try to get that early 2008. We'll see what happens. But I'm happy, and this was all successful, in my opinion, so awesome. Anyway, guys, don't forget that I am now sponsored by SellYourMac.com, so if you have an Apple device you'd like to sell, just go to SellYourMac.com/RodKMods and sell them something. It will help me out, and it will help you out because you'll be making money. And also, don't forget I have a Patreon where I release these videos a day early. And yeah, it would help me out a lot if you'd help support me, because I could keep buying stuff like this. This stuff doesn't come cheap. Although I buy it cheap, I still need money to buy it. But of course, this channel's free. As long as you're watching my videos, you know, I'm making money from views, so that helps me out too. But if you want to give a little bit more money to me, support me, and see these things a day early, you know, come and support me. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching, and this has been a RK Mods video.